We're going to be working in lesson 2, and we're going to be working on straightening, cropping an image, and doing a variety of different things. So here is our start file, and then we'll end up looking something similar to this one, and we will also be working on the bike file. So let's go ahead and start with the start file. And we need to straighten the image. We need to crop it and straighten it. So let's go ahead and use the crop tool, which is the 4th tool down. We're going to type in the dimensions that we want our crop to be, which is 7 inches, so 7 IN. Now, if you notice here, I'm just going to get rid of the N for inches and just type in the word 7. And 7. Now it automatically propagates to IN. If yours goes to PX, make sure to change that, highlight the IN for inches and change the PX to an IN because you're going to have some problems. First thing we're going to do is straighten our image, and on the top toolbar we're going to click on the straighten tool, which looks like a level. And we're going to click on the upper left corner on the blue area that's straight, and then go all the way to the right, and then now our image is straightened. Then we're going to crop our image. And we just bring it up, and to accept our crop, we double click in the center. So now we have a straightened cropped image where the white areas are gone. And if we look here under document dimensions and click again, it takes a little while for it shows it's actually 7 inches by 7 inches. Down here it just takes a little while. I don't know why, it just does. So if I go to Command R for rulers, we can see now our image is 7 by 7. Let me make it a little larger for you. And you can see on the bottom, the 9 has turned into 7 by 7 at 200 dpi.